In today's video, I am going to teach you how to post a status on your WhatsApp. If you are new to WhatsApp status, think of it as a quick way to share a photo, video, or text update that disappears after 24 hours. It shows up for your contacts in the updates section, and it's great for moments, announcements, or just a quick hello. First, open WhatsApp and head to the Updates tab. On iPhones, you will find updates at the bottom of the screen. On Android devices, look for updates at the top. If you are ever unsure, simply look for the tab labeled Updates and tap it to switch to the status area. Now let's create your status. If you want to share a photo or video, tap the camera icon or the plus sign. From here, you can capture something right away or choose an existing photo or video from your gallery. A quick tap takes a photo, press and hold to record a video. You can also switch between the front and back camera to get the best angle. If your video is long, keep in mind WhatsApp may trim it to fit the status format, so choose the most important part. If you prefer a text-only update, tap the pencil icon. This opens a clean canvas where you can type your message. It's perfect for short announcements, reminders, or anything you want to say without a photo or video. You can tweak the background color and pick a font style that matches your message's tone, keeping it simple and readable. Before posting, take a moment to customize. For photos and videos, add a caption at the bottom to give context, or a quick note. You can place stickers for a fun touch. Add text anywhere on the screen, or use the drawing tool to highlight something. Drag items to reposition them, pinch to resize, and rotate to line things up just right. Keep text away from the edges, so it's easy to read on any screen. If you are doing a text-only status, consider a high-contrast background and a clear font, so it stands out. When you are happy with how everything looks, tap the green send button. It's the circular icon that makes your status go live. Once posted, your status will appear in updates and will be visible to your contacts for the next 24 hours. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching.